Hello traders, this is Umar with you and I hope you are all doing good. So today morning what we did was we were long in the market. So market started at somewhere around 17,000 where 750, then it went to 17,900, then came down to 17,700, then it went up. So it was all over the places, right? So we went long in the market on the maybe around 9:30 or 10 o'clock we went long in the market. Then 11:30 market reversed. When the market was reversing, we were shorting the market, and when it reached around 17,700, we again market reversed and we went long in the market. Then you know what happened, right? So again zigzag moves till end of today's trading session. So why am I saying this? Because today's trading session was highly volatile. We were not able to make any big money because of this volatile move. I'm sure many intraday traders would have lost money because of the two-way or three-way move which price action which happened today. So these are kind of market, or these are difficult time for option sellers. How do you expect the option seller to make money in this kind of market? And also not only price action, if you see the India VIX also dropped by around 1.75% or even 2%, not 2%, I think more than 3% it dropped. So yeah, I was seeing India VIX dropping by around 3%. Now let's see what is going to happen. But this was in line with our expectation. Yesterday we told that markets are likely to be very volatile till we are going to reach 2nd of February. We don't know what is going to happen till 2nd of February, 1st of February, till we reach financial budget. Markets are going to be volatile, and volatile moves can be expected throughout the day. Throughout this trading session, maybe 16 or 17 trading session left. I think 16 trading session left for our financial budget, FY22. Till then we will be having kind of market kind of being very volatile, right? And if you see the data is also scattered all over the places. So if I was looking at the open interest, and if you see both calls and puts are written equally. So that is evident from the charts also. If you see the chart, there is a doji pattern formed in today's price action. Today's chart I'm telling. Today's price action I'm saying, if you see in a day's chart, there is a doji pattern. So whenever there is a doji pattern appears, that tells us the market participants are indecisive. They don't know which way to take the market to. And if you see the total number of calls and puts return is both are same. Around there is a open interest of around 44.4 million total calls, and total puts are around 44.4 million. So PCR is around 1. So that clearly confirms that markets are indecisive, and we'll have to wait for the confirmation whether it is going on the upside or whether it is going on the downside. If it is planning to go on the upside, today's high, which is around 17,900, should be taken, or if it is going on the downside, today's low 17,750, this level should be taken. So if you see it in both candlestick perspective as well as open interest perspective, there is indecisiveness. And if you see the open interest also, people are left and right, they are writing calls and puts in equal number. So whether it is bears or who's going to win, whether it is bears or bulls, we'll have to wait and see. So that is differently dependent on how the world market reacts. If you see the global cues now, US markets are really flat, and yesterday also Dow future US market was down. Dow was down by 350 points, and even European, in fact Europe was very much down in the red. But we were trying to go on the upside. So every day we are just trying to go on the upside, right? but what I feel is this upside is very much limited. We cannot see the market going inching up or inching up towards lifetime high every day, in spite of having so many problems, in spite of having inflation, in spite of having this Omicron issue. All these kind of things are happening, and still you want the market to go on the upside. That's not going to happen. And you see, I will tell you something. 18,600 is lifetime high. You are not going to see anytime soon. That is going to be very hard to reach. Anyway, let's see. I am very much very much confident that we will not see 18,600 in the near future. Maybe we will take time to see that 18,600. So my stance is upside is very much limited, and we can see downside. I might be wrong. I really don't know. We'll have to wait and see. Even before I was saying the market will reach 15,500, but it never did. So there are things. It depends upon many factors, and it is not necessary I should be always correct, right? Even though when we were wrong, we made money. So that is not a problem whether I am right or wrong. And this is personally my view. That's why we have put disclaimer in the description. I may go wrong, and I have the right to go wrong, right? So we'll see how things pan out. For now, markets are very undecisive. You do a straddle and strangle, where even straddles and strangles are not working nowadays. If you would have done a straddle or strangle today morning, both upside stop loss and downside stop loss, calls stop loss and put stop loss, both would have hit today itself. So that's the kind of market we are experiencing, highly volatile markets. For now we should be as we told, for now we should be having this volatility continuing till end of January or 1st of February. After that only we'll see a clear direction or where the market is heading. Until then, this volatility will be continuing. And if you see the Bank Nifty also, there Bank Nifty, both Nifty and Bank Nifty both were there were significant put rating and call rating on both Nifty and Bank Nifty. But Bank Nifty says that open interest says that 38,000. We told this yesterday also. In yesterday's video also we told that 38,000 is having the highest open interest. And if you see stock specific, HDFC is not performing, HDFC Bank is not performing, it's really flat. And if you see today's stock specific price action, only AU Small Finance Bank was performing. Apart from that, SBI, HDFC, Bajaj Finserv, in fact Bajaj Finserv was trading in the red. Reliance, if you see the Nifty pack, Reliance was in the red. So there were not many stocks which were performing. Let us see. Yeah, if you see the Bank Nifty, AU Bank was performing, Bandhan Bank, Federal Bank, ICICI was FII favorite and a heavyweight was not performing. And if you see the Nifty pack, I think yeah, here is the Nifty pack. ONGC, Hindalco, HDFC Life, Shriram Chem, Grasim were performing, and non-performers were Bajaj Finserv, Bajaj Finance, L&T, HDFC Bank, all were not performing. So FII favorites were not performing. Let us see if FII data has come. I'm sure. And yesterday, as I told you, this FIIs are, when they were selling, they used to sell in heavy numbers, and when they are buying when very small numbers. So till now we have not got any FII data. Yeah, so this is yesterday's data, so we'll have to wait and see. So yesterday itself net they have sold for 1926 crores. So I think FIIs have started selling, and today also I'm sure they would have sold heavily. So let's see. Still markets are not in a favorable situation for us to go long, or the FII doesn't want the market to go up. Whether we agree it or not, FII doesn't want the market to go up. They are just waiting for opportunity. Whatever is happening now is just an opportunity. They have created an opportunity just to take the market upside, only to sell. Once they know the market is in a very favorable condition to sell, they will start selling, or they will start pressing the sell button, and they will take the market on the downside. Yeah, so as of now we are still neutral and upside 18,000 for this expiry, or till 2 or 3. We have 4 more trading session for the next expiry. We expect the market to expire between 17,500 and 18,000. So that is what I think. So nothing much. Wish you all a happy weekend.